right, Carter, how much you want? How much you want? How much you want?
Yeah, think about it.
How much you want? Jump said it himself, if you spinning, you ain't winning. There's a difference when you spinning and ain't moving. But he was spinning and hooking on it. Oh, you think you see you can't lie. You should be out. No. Hey, that's all thing you gotta do.
Bitch, what you going on black top? You gonna hook out here?
I mean,
You gonna hook out here? Ain't no just going to that main road.
You know, I ain't scared now.
Me either. You know, it'll be a good race now.
And I don't race.
DT gonna be a good race.
I don't even race.
Yeah. Because he don't race. I
don't race at all.
He don't race at all.
At all.
It's gonna be a good race.
That bitch still spinning that. Jump, if you spinning, you ain't worried. All right. Beat down.
Beat down. Bobby said it's gonna be a beat down.
Huh? Well, I tell you what, you better leave then.
You gonna leave because that bitch coming now. You gonna have to go though. Do your thing, son. Do your thing. It's a beat down Bobby guy.
We just want to see the video.
Wow. Mike Damon asked for an ad whooping video all day long.
Woo! I got the video.
Beat down. Go get that pen. Come on, line them up. Who running first? We're gonna do that last. Cause you didn't want to do it right with me.
For that, then it might be last.
You and Tay got money locked in too. Yes, you did. Lost $50 in with Tay.
Man, what it is, man?
I
locked in with him. No, you locked in with Tay first.
Hey, man.
That's what it said now?
On the phone, then he lock in with Tay, $50.
I don't remember that.
Yes, you did. Look. I'm ready.
Hey man, who gonna raid, man? I ain't trying to stay out here all goddamn night.
That would beat down Bobby Field. You feel me?
Gay! That's Bud out.
Beat down. You got that bitch on the drone.
No,
You got that.
I got it for halfway.
Don't even ride it.
Down.
Look.
Flashback.
That phone just roll out and let the club go. Don't ride it. Just leave that phone.
End of flashback.
Don't even ride it. You on my phone. Come on, hey.
Hey, my boy. Man, I ain't rode a motorcycle 5 years. I probably can't crack this.
Hey, this beat down Bobby, baby. Say boom.
Nigga, I need to put this in just.
Flashback.
Gigolo, say what's up to them folks, Gigolo.
Hey, man, we trying to get these motherfuckers out here and boss them. We 3-0 right now. 3-0.
Deja vu like a motherfucker.
End of flashback.
You got my cash out, right?
Oh, yeah. He don't want to pay me. He don't want to pay me. God.
He gonna cry in the car.
Another one.
You hear that? I don't know who got up in that patch slice. Drive that over here. Oh, you son of a bitch. God damn, boom, blow.
Get my goddamn leg shield. That one got that little close lead. Damn, boy. Why did I come on? Getting good now.
So what?
Take the little 900 to pull him out. Take the little 900 to pull him out. So what up, YouTube, man? Sorry about this such a short video, kind of lack of content. But man, I've been having a lot going on, and then plus the weather's not been permitted for me to do too much riding or make too much content. But hey, there's still a lot more content on the way, man. I got a lot going on right now as far as just day-to-day living, man. Just trying to be the best I can be and doing the most and making the most out of all my time or whatever. Right now, man, I've been buying a lot of new projects. Right, 2020, a lot of car content on the way. I'm gonna start off like I made an announcement a while back of doing car vlogs, like every Wednesday or so. But I know I'm horrible at keeping my word of doing it at that certain date and certain time. Yeah, if you think that bad, you'll probably be late for your own damn funeral. A lot of good car content on the way, man. I got a lot of new projects, more paintball content. I got Aussie content, man. I got so much stuff that I've been doing. I just really want to show you guys, but I really never had a chance to really just document it, sit down and edit the footage, man. Also the Brawl, I've been doing a lot with that Dell, so I've been getting a lot of footage and content off that. Also, man, 2020, I'm starting 2020 off right, and I'm not even waiting to 2020 to do a lot of this stuff. I'm working on it now. I'm sorry about the not uploading on the regular like I should be. I slacked off a lot this year, but man, I'm not making no excuses. I'm gonna make the best of it and do a whole lot better next year. But for this video here is over now, man. Live at 5 until the next video. I'm gone.